What up, everybody? It's your boy Carlo. So today I'm gonna be doing a update on my March 2019 positions. So I invested in three different companies. So just starting it off and kick it in right in at number one is Enbridge. So Enbridge, it is a oil, natural gas, and transportation services. So it has pipes from Canada all the way down to the United States. So it's a big supplier for United States for all of these three different services. The main reason why I wanted to invest in Enbridge is because, bam, check that out right there. It pays a dividend yield of around 6%. So every three, every 3 months, it will pay you a dividend. And what better than owning a company that pays you? Am I right? Or am I right? So just checking it out. The main reason why I really wanted to buy into this company is because of the research that I've done. They're starting on a couple new projects of supplying new piping and updating their infrastructure to provide gas and different utilities to the United States. And they also been improving their company by decreasing all the different things that they've been investing in as a company. So they're definitely becoming a lot more simpler in their approach as a business. So I've been seeing, based on the research that I've been doing, it looks like this company, Enbridge, is on the up and up. So starting year to date, they're up around 12%. So just to give you guys proof of that I did invest in it. So right over here is Enbridge. So I have 15 shares. I bought in at 35.20. It's currently at 36.77. So I just made a couple bucks, 20 bucks. So at a 4.5% gain. And then let's go over to the chart. So right over here, the main reason why I entered the position, it bounced off the support line right over here. And then if you could see right over here, the 15 SMA. So it bounced. And I would definitely see like a strong upswing over here. So once it breaks this resistance right up here around 37.57, I definitely feel like it's gonna hit up here. So where you see around 42. So within the next 6 to 12 months, I definitely feel like it's gonna get up to here. So just going over it, I have a 5-to-1 risk reward ratio. So definitely truly feel that it's gonna be doing really, really well. And on top of it, it's gonna pay you 6% every 3 months. So definitely check this company out, Enbridge. The next one that I've invested in was this company right over here. So ABBV. So this is a pharmaceutical stock. It definitely got hammered this year. So the main drug that it's been has is Humira, but Humira's been getting smashed from all these other different pharmaceutical companies as well as overseas. So still its number one driver in revenue. However, I've been reading articles and doing research on AbbVie. They've been doing a push for blood cancers, immunological, say that fast, immunological drugs. There you go. You just got to say it fast. And different IL-25 pathways. So I personally had have some. I'm in the medical field, so definitely some things that I've been seeing that AbbVie has been making major improvements on. I feel that the company's gotten way too hammered and is currently undervalued. Number one thing that I wanted to buy it is right over here, the dividend yield at 5.48%, which pays you quarterly. And I I totally feel, if you could even see, if you guys do stocks, just looking at the, looks kind of like a bullish wedge right over here. So my main, so let's see, checking it out, bam. So right there at the previous there, this looks about right. So it's like a 4-to-1 ratio right over here. Long term, 6 to 9 months. So I always do like 6 to 9 months, 6 months to a year, where I like to hold these positions. But on top of that, just know that just owning the company is definitely going to be paying you. So we'll see with the improvements that it's been trying to make. And just to be transparent, right over here, I got in at 77.90. It's currently at 78.73. 1% gain. It's not too much, so definitely check ABBV out. And then the very, very last one is this one right over here. So the ticker is Cone. So it is a specialized REIT. However, Cyrus One, the main reason why I invested in this company is because it is in cloud-based REITs. So it definitely has rapid expansion. If you think about it, in just the digital world nowadays, there's not like hard drives or paper files. Everything is going straight to the cloud. So with that being said, rapid expansion. And on top of it, if you guys know about IoT, the Internet of Things, it also is heavily invested in that. So within the next 3 to 10 years, I totally feel that the Internet of Things plus cloud base is going to blow up. And the exposures to its market, it definitely is very specialized. And I feel that this company is going to be doing really, really well. You look over here, its graph is going nothing but up. It did have a couple of corrections, a couple of retracements. So right over here, let's check it out. Boom, 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 boom. Right over here, where did I enter at? I'm sure I entered it like right over here. 1 second. So just to let you guys know, my entry and exit strategy. Always have an exit strategy after every position that you have. So right there. If you guys want to see what's my mindset and how I plan my entry and exit strategy, drop a comment below and I could definitely make a video on that if you guys are interested in it. So it's right over here, make it a 4-to-1 risk ratio. So over here, Cyrus One, bam, has a dividend yield of 3.5. So 3.5%, which pays you quarterly. And I feel like this stock has definitely been hammered, as you could see the retracement right over here. So Q4 as well as Q1, it's been hammered, but I feel like it's definitely making a comeback. So check this area out for this one. Let me see. Is there anything else that I've been invested in? So those are my three. Let's see. My three that I invested in for March. Each of them paying a pretty high dividend yield, showing good upward trend, and definitely the company as a whole for each different three of the ones that I invested in are making strides to refine their business and definitely continue to make it better. So this one is right over here. Got in at 50.25. It's currently at 51.94, up 3.4%. So check these companies out. If you enjoyed it, drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought and what have you guys invested in, and what other things, what insights would you like to know? So hit that subscribe button down below. I'll see y'all next time. Take care.